Hello everyone and welcome part 2 on ratchet to died. So without ado, let's get on the other story. Well, our story begins with after Tom Tate ratchet takes out the leg and court had now the new upgrade, of course. And so ratchet talks on at Tom and TXYT take him and YT it doing here on planet Earth and why in the world and how in the world at the storm get here on the Earth in the third straight. So then at the storm tells him anything extending on the tone the extend on after Megatron depth under that tone. T count on Earth, it's to T the count alight of that stone, but after the count and Megatron depth under that stone, T what join the Autobot because T had not to be the murder to onto the third of that stone. And that's why T paid him all of that stone. And told that stone at the storm told him on any date he needed to know all of that stone. And told ratchet it talk to T not only on Booby, White and Dino, but T on Loot Twig, Twitch, Plow, and Cutters. And that is going now lead to now, everybody. Thanks for the watching of this video, and I will see you guys a part 3 on ratchet to died.